Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Alfan. Welcome to Rows and Columns. It's so terrible feeling that when you put so much of effort to finalize one workbook and suddenly you're forced to get closed without saving it, or Excel application itself closed by on some technical issue. Is it possible to recover those files? Yes, we can. Let's see how it's going to work. Anyway, all the best.
So in Excel, if you want to recover unsaved Excel workbook or file, first you need to configure or activate autosave options to recover those files. Let's see how we can configure the same. In Excel, there's a feature called autosave. Go to File, Options, Save. Here you have three options which you can configure according to your need. The first one is save this in this format. That means you can choose the format of the workbook in which you want to save your file with your unsaved work. And second option is save auto recover information every 1 minute. By default, every Excel application, it will show as 10 minutes. Here what I did is I just make it 1 minute. Why? Because if you start feeding any data in the file which is not unsaved, every 10 minutes Excel will keep the data in temporary folder. That folder location is here. So if you make it 1 minute, that much of time you saved, right? That means if you start typing any data, if system is keep idle, after 1 minute, the data will keep saved in a temporary folder. Even after this close the file without saving it, you can recover it because system is already saved this workbook after 1 minute. If you kept 10 minutes here, what will happen? You need to wait 10 minutes to get over to save those file into temporary folder. So make sure to keep the duration time short to get more version to save. So that case, I'm just make it as 1 minute here. Unfortunately, we don't have option for seconds. And third option is keep the last auto recovered version if I closed without saving it. Here is the location where Excel keep the temporary data in case if you close the file without saving it. So once you set up all these options, click on OK. Now you can see this workbook name as book 2. This is not saved at all. And here I'm going to type data as ABC. Here what is going to happen is once I finalize the content, in this case ABC is my final content, right? After 1 minute Excel will keep saving this into temporary folder because I made the amendment here, right? For example, here you can see instead of 10 minutes I made this 1 minute, right? So every 1 minute Excel will save the data and put into temporary folder. Now I just want to recover those files which has been closed by mistake without saving it. How we can open that and save it again? So go to file here, click on open, and bottom you can see one option called recover unsaved workbooks. Just click on it, and here you can see list of files which has been closed from my end without saving it. I'm just expanding here. You can see the date, list of date here. If I want to save it again, for example, I'm just open this file, opening here, and Excel itself notifying something here, recovered unsaved file. This is recovered file that is temporarily stored on your computer. Next to that you can see save as option. I'm just going to save it in my system permanently. Click on it. For example, just opening desktop and save it. Now the file has been saved permanently. Hope all of you clear this topic. And again, make sure that just make the amendment here. Go to options instead of and make it as 1 here for your safer side. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching it.